are looking for the next algorithm, that is maze problem solution. This is one of the best education problem solutions that we are having in the design of algorithm methods. My name is Prasad Malik. We are waiting for the various kind of interactions within the both alternatives of various maze solving problems here. But effective maze solving problem is those problems that having a very minimum path, and we can have a very short path within the source and destination. The first of goal that we having that we have to reach from source to the destination in a separate division of the separate other path. We have a maze here. Lesson focuses on algorithm thinking and rethinking of various maze problem and solution, whatever we have the effective solution, whatever it is. Okay, but we have to only specify the various types of paths and the neighboring cell of the m into n grid, whatever we consider. We have to visit each and every cell what is unvisited up to now. So this is the real fun game, and students will interact more and more effectively whenever they interact with the simple maze problem solving, whenever they have interaction with the various other mazes. It is very clearly clarified that maze is very individual concept throughout the various distance learning within the same period. Lesson interaction. The activity involves the design of algorithm into m into n grid of algorithm. First of all, whatever grid we consider, we have to specify the number of columns and number of rows here. First of all, this is the concept of background programming. Whatever we consider C, C++, PL, Java, anything, any platform, whatever you consider. First of all, you must clear your logic of that maze solving problems here. So we follow this discussion whatever desired by the students and teaching activity. It is a teacher learning process, so that's why we have to learn very effectively whatever the solution it is. Objective: whenever we learn this topic, we are clarify how we can solve the maze problem, how many grid we are considered, how many number of columns and rows we are considered, and various kind of interactions within the various rows. We have to visit various another course. So Johnny's simple algorithm, this is one of the best and efficient algorithm whatever we are going to study today itself. Johnny's simple algorithm, especially like a drawing and one of the creature of that particular geometry, whatever we consider, we have m into n grid, means m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 grids. We are prepared that there is horizontal bar and vertical bar, so that's why we prepare here one another grid that m into n, means m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. This is our cell. We are going to visit our cell from your efficient one of the cell. We are going to visit from the source. Then we are just changing the cell, and we are going to visit unvisited cell of neighboring cell also. So that's why we are preparing the separate part over here. So that's why we are preparing here. For example, 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 2 and 3 2. If whenever we have a 3 to 4 grid, so it is very minimum cost of path. But whenever we have a broad cell of 16 by 16 or m into n grid, then it is very complex to identify which kind of cell we have to visit. Then we are only going to flip the same algorithm, whatever Johnny's simple algorithm stated always here, that we have to only flip the same algorithm. Then also we have a various source and destination path. So this kind of cells we already considered over here, and then we are going to flip the same concept cell number to result in the another column here. This is one algorithm solution 1, having first step solution that the maze we are creating here 3 by 4, again m into n grid cell. We starting from 2 steps here, visited the second cell, then we paused as a left hand side, then downwards, then upwards, then again upwards, then we will take a right, then again right. After that we have another right here, 3 step right, the downwards here, then we have another 11 step as a left, again down and again right. So that's why we will just starting from your second step here, the second step is your source and last step is your source. So we have final ways to visit all the neighboring cells. The concept is only first of all we are not going to visit unvisited cell first of all. So that's why no each cell is open here. We have to visit each and every cell. We have a second solution of Johnny's algorithm here is the first one. You can see the solution also. We can start from your 3 by 3 cell we consider here, upwards, then take right, then downwards, then again 6 step downwards, right, upward, and we have a final maze over here in this step. So we starting from your first step and ending with the third step. So this is the Johnny's simple algorithm, very effectively working whenever we consider a maze solving problem here. Thank you.